Let's now get started with the IGP design. Now we have to discuss how to implement the topology of the MPLS Full Scale Lab, its design and traffic flow requirements. The first design point we have to discuss is the IGP protocol in the SP network of company XYZ. The IGP protocol in the service provider company XYZ is mandatory to let P routers be able to get each other with their MPLS LSR ID. As we discussed before in Huawei MPLS Services Volume 1 course, this is the basic of the SP network, is to select the proper IGP protocol. ISIS is selected to be used as the IGP protocol in the SP MPLS network of company XYZ. Why ISIS? There are different reasons why ISIS is preferred over OSPF. The first reason we have is that ISIS operates on the data link layer, layer 2. It cannot be attacked by IP packets. It cannot be exposed to layer 3 attacks. So ISIS is more secure than OSPF. Second reason we have is that OSPF has a variety of LSA types, whereas ISIS has only 2 types of updates. The updates in ISIS is called as LSP1 and LSP2. So ISIS has less memory consumption than OSPF, which means better performance for the router. Third reason we have here is that ISIS can support both IPv4 and IPv6 routes with different family addresses. So ISIS is more scalable into future transformation than OSPF, because with OSPF there are 2 separate routing protocols for IPv4 and IPv6. For IPv4 we have OSPF v2 or version 2, and for IPv6 we have OSPF v3. They are separate and different routing protocols, but with ISIS it's only one protocol used for both of them. So it's better for migration and transformation from IPv4 to IPv6, and also we can use both of them. Fourth reason we have here is that ISIS defines only one single area type. The backbone area is a collection of level 2 routers, and any area can be the backbone area. It doesn't matter if this area ID is area 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Whereas with OSPF, it has only area 0 defined as backbone area, and all non-backbone areas should be connected to the backbone area 0. So ISIS is more flexible and simple in terms of the area design. Fifth reason we have here is that ISIS has higher number of routers. It can accommodate higher number of routers per area than OSPF. ISIS is more scalable into network expansion. Thank you for viewing this video. I hope it can add a good value to you.